Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, May 5, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, May 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 5, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, May 5, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 48 million pesos for May 5, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, May 5, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.